Have you ever wondered how to maximize your athletic potential while keeping all your options open for the future, especially if you might want to switch teams later? It is a common question for many student athletes. National Collegiate Athletic Association redshirt rules can significantly impact a student athlete's transfer options by preserving a year of eligibility, which means you can extend your playing career. However, this preserved year does not automatically guarantee immediate eligibility if you decide to transfer, as other NCAA transfer rules and school-specific policies come into play. Understanding how these pieces fit together is key to making informed decisions about your collegiate journey. A redshirt year is designed to allow student athletes to develop physically and academically, or recover from injuries, without using up a year of their four-year eligibility clock. For example, you might redshirt your freshman year to gain strength and learn the system. When you decide to transfer, the NCAA has specific rules governing your eligibility at a new institution. The most common is the one-time transfer exception, which generally allows student athletes to transfer once and be immediately eligible to compete, provided they meet academic requirements and their previous school does not place restrictions on them. If you have already used your redshirt year, it means you have 4 years of eligibility remaining over 5 academic years. This status travels with you, but immediate play at your new school still depends on meeting the one-time transfer exception criteria or other waivers. Your academic progress rate and satisfactory academic progress at your previous institution are also heavily scrutinized during a transfer. So, if you are considering a redshirt and thinking about transferring down the road, there are crucial steps to take. First, communicate openly with your current coaches and academic advisors about your plans and concerns. They can provide valuable insight into your team's specific policies and potential implications. Second, research the NCAA transfer portal rules thoroughly, paying close attention to deadlines and academic requirements for immediate eligibility. Always ensure you are on track with your academic progress rate and maintain good standing. Third, when evaluating potential new schools, ask about their specific policies regarding transfer redshirts. Some programs may have preferences or limitations. Understanding these nuances upfront can prevent unexpected hurdles. Finally, remember that every situation is unique, and getting personalized advice from your school's compliance office is always the best approach. The NCAA's one-time transfer exception, for instance, allows athletes in certain sports to transfer once without sitting out a year. However, this exception is a critical piece of the puzzle. If you redshirt and then transfer, and you have not used your one-time transfer exception, you could potentially play immediately at your new school. Conversely, if you have already used the exception, or if it does not apply to your sport or situation, then even with a redshirt year, you might have to sit out a year of competition at the new institution. This distinction between eligibility remaining and immediate play status is vital. Additionally, maintaining a strong academic progress rate is paramount, as it directly impacts your eligibility for transfer. Navigating redshirt rules and transfer decisions requires careful consideration of both your athletic development and your long-term eligibility goals. By understanding how a redshirt year affects your four-year eligibility clock, knowing the intricacies of the NCAA's one-time transfer exception, and prioritizing your academic progress rate, you empower yourself to make strategic choices. These choices will allow you to build a successful and fulfilling college athletic career, whether it is with your current team or a new one.